Welcome to InnoQuotient's Clients area. This video will introduce you to the Clients area, their environment, and basic operations. You should have received a welcome email from InnoQuotient with your login credentials. This is your entry passport to the Clients area. Type your username and password and access the platform. This first display will show every InnoQuotient assessment made by your organization over the time. They are shown by opening date, so you will see first the last assessment made. You can see in the headline the summary of your assessment. The left menu shows how to filter your assessment: active in orange, inactive in blue, or all of them in the middle. But don't worry about this, all your assessments are active at this time. To see the details of one of your assessments, you just have to click on it. This is the environment of the assessment selected. In the headline, you can see the summary that contains information such as period of the survey, number of IMBTs, and number of participants. You will find the participation follow-up in the left menu. This is very useful through the survey process. You can find also the access to your results. Once the survey is finished, the results will become the indispensable information to understand why your organization is as it is. Now we will share with you some tips about the operation of the platform. To always know where are you have the following information: the headline information already mentioned, the left menu, which you can deploy and collapse, and this location route that corresponds to the menu option already activated, in this case, participation and departments. Let's see how you will see the information. You can see it in graphics, such as this, that show participation by departments, where you can activate and deactivate elements to visualize according to your needs. For instance, you can see only the participation or prioritize the margin of error. And you can consult the information highlighted in the explanatory levels of the graphic. For instance, we can see that we have 12 participants in logistics that corresponds to 85% of INBTs of such department. Besides, we can see this information in tables where you can order the information pursuant to the symbol that appears at the right of the column. You can order it by percentage of participation. Both from graphics and tables, you can download the information in JPG or PNG format. Finally, to make more room in your screen, you can play with close the left menu, and if you click this symbol, you can go to the full screen. This is the introduction to the InnoQuotient's Clients area. Remember that in the left menu of your assessment, you can find the follow-up of the participation and also the access to your outputs once the survey is finished. You will find a thorough explanation of each section in next tutorial videos. If you want to learn more, visit our InnoQuotient channel in YouTube. Thank you for your attention.